Get ready to revolutionize your driving experience with the all-new 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6, the ultimate electric vehicle that combines style, tech, and sustainability. Welcome to AutoTech. Today, we're taking a comprehensive overview of the all-new 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6. We'll start by discussing the exterior design, including the various color options available and the sleek and modern lines that set the Ioniq 6 apart from other electric vehicles on the market. The exterior of the Ioniq 6 is sure to turn heads on the road. The car boasts a futuristic design with smooth lines and a bold front grille that gives it a distinctive look. The exterior design is sleek and modern and is sure to appeal to drivers who value style and aesthetics. In terms of color options, the Ioniq 6 is available in several different shades, including a vibrant red, a sleek silver, and a range of other options. No matter what your personal style may be, there's sure to be a color option that appeals to you. The exterior of the Ioniq 6 is also designed with aerodynamics in mind, helping to improve the car's range and efficiency. In terms of features, the Ioniq 6 comes equipped with a range of advanced tech. One standout feature is the panoramic sunroof, which provides an extra level of luxury and a great view of the surroundings. The car also has LED headlights which not only look modern and stylish, but also provide better visibility on the road. The Ioniq 6 also has a range of advanced driver assist systems, including lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, which can help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. Another unique feature of the Ioniq 6 is its front trunk, providing extra storage space for all your gear. This is a rare feature in an electric vehicle and is sure to be a hit with drivers who need extra storage space. In addition to these standout features, the Ioniq 6 also comes equipped with a range of convenience features, including keyless entry and a wireless charging pad. The exterior of the Ioniq 6 is also designed to be eco-friendly, with features like low rolling resistance tires and a closed grille to improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. In addition to color options, the Ioniq 6 is also available in several different trim packages. These include the base model, as well as a number of higher-level trims that offer additional features and amenities. This allows drivers to choose the trim level that best fits their needs and budget. Some of the options available on the higher-level trims include a larger touchscreen display, a premium sound system, and additional safety features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The higher-level trims also offer a range of luxury features like ventilated front seats and a power-adjustable driver's seat to enhance your driving experience. The front trunk of the Ioniq 6 is a standout feature that sets it apart from other electric vehicles on the market. This provides extra storage space for all your gear, making it a great option for drivers who need a bit more space for their belongings. The front trunk is conveniently located, making it easy to access and load with your gear. The front trunk is also designed to be easily accessible, with a low lift-over height and wide opening to make it easier to load and unload your belongings. Inside the Ioniq 6, you'll find a spacious and modern interior. The car features comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, as well as plenty of legroom and headroom. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials and are designed to provide maximum comfort on long drives. The infotainment center is user-friendly and packed with features, including a large touchscreen display and a premium sound system. The interior of the Ioniq 6 is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, and is sure to be a hit with drivers and passengers alike. The Ioniq 6 also has a range of storage options throughout the cabin, including a center console and door pockets to help you keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Whether you're driving solo or with a car full of friends or family, you'll appreciate the generous amount of space in the Ioniq 6. The interior of the Ioniq 6 is also designed to be quiet and peaceful, with a range of features like noise-canceling technology and advanced sound system to help reduce road noise and enhance your listening experience. In addition to its spacious interior, the Ioniq 6 also has plenty of cargo space. With front trunk and additional storage in the rear, you'll have plenty of room for all your gear. Whether you're packing for a road trip or just need a place to store your groceries, the Ioniq 6 has you covered. The cargo area is spacious and easily accessible, making it convenient to load and unload your belongings. The Ioniq 6 also has a range of storage options throughout the cabin, including a center console and door pockets to help keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. The infotainment center in the Ioniq 6 is user-friendly and packed with features. It has a large touchscreen display and a premium sound system, providing a top-notch entertainment experience while on the road. You'll be able to access all your favorite music, podcasts, and more, as well as navigate to your destination using the built-in GPS system. The infotainment system is easy to use and intuitive with clear, easy-to-use controls and a range of advanced features like voice recognition and hands-free calling. One of the key considerations for any electric vehicle is its range, and the Ioniq 6 does not disappoint in this regard. The car has a range of up to 340 miles on a single charge depending on the trim level and driving conditions. This means you can go longer between charges and enjoy a greater sense of freedom on the road. The Ioniq 6 also has a range of advanced features to help extend its range, including regenerative braking and an efficient heating and cooling system. In terms of charging, the Ioniq 6 is designed to be convenient and easy to use. The car is compatible with a range of charging networks and can be charged at home, at work, or on the go. The Ioniq 6 has a range of charging options including level 1, level 2, and level 3 chargers, so you can choose the charging speed that best fits your needs. The car also has a range of advanced features to help manage its charging, including a range planner and charging timer, which allows you to schedule your charging around your lifestyle. In terms of performance, the Ioniq 6 does not disappoint. The car has a range of advanced features designed to enhance its handling and acceleration, including a sport mode that provides a more engaging driving experience. The Ioniq 6 also has a range of advanced safety features, including electric stability control and traction control, which helps to improve its stability and handling on the road. Overall, the Ioniq 6 is a fun and enjoyable car to drive, with a smooth and quiet ride that's sure to impress. In terms of price, the Ioniq 6 is competitively priced compared to other electric vehicles on the market. The base model starts at around $44,000, while the higher-level trims are priced at around $50,000 or more. The price of the Ioniq 6 is in line with other electric vehicles in its class, and it offers a range of advanced features and amenities to justify its price point. The Ioniq 6 is also eligible for a range of tax credits and incentives, which can help offset its price and make it more affordable for buyers. One of the key selling points of the Ioniq 6 is its sustainability. As an electric vehicle, the Ioniq 6 produces zero emissions, making it a more environmental-friendly option compared to traditional gas-powered cars. The Ioniq 6 is also designed with sustainability in mind, with features like low rolling resistance tires and a closed grille to improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. In addition, the Ioniq 6 is built using eco-friendly materials, including recycled plastic and plant-based materials, which help reduce its environmental impact. When compared to other electric vehicles on the market, the Ioniq 6 holds its own. It has a range of advanced features and a spacious, comfortable interior that sets it apart from its competitors. In terms of range, the Ioniq 6 is competitive with other electric vehicles in its class, with a range of up to 340 miles on a single charge. In terms of performance, the Ioniq 6 is smooth and quiet, with a range of advanced features that enhance its handling and acceleration. The Ioniq 6 is a strong contender in the electric vehicle market and is sure to appeal to drivers who value style, tech, and sustainability. The 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6 is a standout electric vehicle that offers a range of advanced features, a comfortable and spacious interior, and a smooth and quiet ride. It's a great option for drivers who want a stylish and modern car that's packed with tech and convenience features. Whether you're commuting to work or hitting the road for a long road trip, the Ioniq 6 has something to offer. It's also an eco-friendly option with a range of features designed to reduce emissions and improve efficiency. Overall, the Ioniq 6 is sure to impress with its advanced tech, modern design, and sustainability. Are you considering the Hyundai Ioniq 6? What features stand out to you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching AutoTech.